Today's makeup tutorial will show you how to achieve a classy French look on our model Kate. Combine your essential foundation with the Skin Perfecting Primer for long-lasting results. Blending cream concealer thoroughly will give you a natural, fresh look. Starting at the center of your face, apply setting powder with your brush in small circles. Give your eyebrows a clean, groomed look with brow pomade. Apply this color all the way up to your brows, so the eyeshadow on top will blend effectively. And using your upper lash line as a guide, flick the liner upwards. For a soft blended look, smudge and blend Laura eyeshadow along your lash line. Apply 2 to 3 coats of the vegan mascara. Let it dry and repeat as needed. Make sure to color your cheekbones just above the bone, rather than below the hollow. Lip gloss wands give you a lot of control over the lines you draw, so you can create perfect red lips more easily. Et voila, the classy French look. Let us know how it turns out for you.